Welcome to 5 Trick Fridays. This week was a little different. I moved my ramps in some different setups. Super fun, hard to ride, super hard to ride. I don't know what order I'm gonna put these in, but one of the hardest ones today, and most frustrating for sure, because I'm actually really good at ice picking sub boxes, but I screwed some boards onto my shelf and ice picked my shelf, but there is no setup room, so I'm like having a lot of problems trying to sit on the back of the deck and then pop in and get my feet right and then pop up to an ice pick. Plus I was really afraid I was gonna hit my head on the ceiling. I kept setting my bike up there. It seemed like it might be questionably okay, but it worked out. I kind of missed the first one. It kind of was like a wall tap, but I also wall tap a little 2x4 on my shelf. Sorry, I'm staring at my shelf, trying to remember what I did. So that was fun. Another one that really had me sweating it was the over ice to back over fakie. I like this trick. I'm not very good at them with like street spine decks or plywood decks. I like them on double coping spines. But I got it done. If you turn too much in the ice to back over, your wheel got pinned between the shelf. So I had to kind of move my ramp around, and it was still sketchy. Trust me, super sketchy, but it worked out. Oh, that was hard. I was sweating it so hard. Another one that I was excited about was I did some nose jams, and I do a how-to Tuesdays, and I do a nose jam in there. And then I set up my ramp a different way in the garage. I did a really fun roll up to backwards nose wheelie. If you guys know who Dennis McCoy is, he's really good at them. So it took me a while, but I wanted to get it all the way to exit out of my garage. So I was pretty pumped I got that done. And then I call it the albatross, the nose pick decade on the ramp. I had to set them up, my ramps up next to each other. That way they're wide enough, because this trick is, you get all tangled up in it. And when you hop in, sometimes you don't rotate right. And I was afraid my wheel was gonna come off the side, but luckily I had the ramp set up this weird way anyway. So super pumped I got that done. I really wanted to get the nose down whip done, but where I set up the ramp, I was hitting this cabinet and I was hitting that back wall, so I couldn't try it over here today, but whatever, it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoy these 5. Hopefully I named all 5. If not, you'll see an extra trick in here. But let me know what you guys want to see next week. Hopefully I'll move the ramp out next week if it's dry and show you guys some different tricks. So subscribe to C10 BMX. Let me know what you guys want to see. Later.